Today I'm proceeding towards a beautiful city called Shimla and it's in Himachal Pradesh. I started my journey early in the morning from Chandigarh city, and this road trip from Chandigarh to Shimla is very special because the journey is as beautiful as the final destination. On this journey I could actually see a lot of stunning landscapes and lush greenery and a lot of beautiful curvy roads and a lot of hills and mountains, and in between you could see a lot of patches of cities. The road is quite wide enough for you to travel, and you see a lot of bikes and cars ripping and actually speeding. You need to be a little careful. The roads are amazing because you also find double lane roads, and it's amazing. Now if you're one of those who loves to be on the road, this bike road trip or a car trip would be an amazing thing to plan for. Now, Chandigarh to Shimla is one of the most scenic routes in India for a road trip. Traveling from Chandigarh to Shimla by road is the most convenient way of covering this distance, as both the cities are located at a distance of 118 kilometers. The road trip can be easily covered in about 3 to 3.5 hours. As I'm traveling in the month of December, it is feeling a little more colder. The best time to avoid is the monsoon season, which usually starts from the month of July and ends in the month of September. Winters in Shimla can be extreme, but people come here to experience snowfall in India. When you take a road trip to Shimla, it is not just the final destination, but the journey which will delight you throughout. It offers a sneak peek of the snow-clad mountains, quaint villages on the way, and some hidden wonders. There are various routes towards Shimla. One is via the NH5 and one is via the NH7. Now, preferably the distance is around 118 kilometers which I have taken. You can see I'm going higher and higher. शिमला 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 किस तरफ है?
शिमला इस तरफ है।
So I've just almost reached very close to Shimla, and just the final leg before I reach the city of Shimla. So what it indicates is the city is getting near, and you can see a lot of bus and transports all around, a lot of taxis around waiting to take the tourists to various places. So Shimla is very close to some of the beautiful places nearby, Narkanda, Nako, Cabo, and also there are routes towards Manali from Shimla. It's an amazing route. So let me just take you to a place where I actually halt and take my accommodation and live for this whole day, and let me show you what all I can show. पहाड़ों की रानी शिमला में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मतलब तमिलनाडु बुला रहे हैं।
एक बाइक नहीं जाएगा वहाँ पे, यार पार्किंग में लगा हुआ व्हीकल किसी की अलाउड नहीं है। कोई व्हीकल स्मॉल रोड पे अलाउड,
Not allowed, huh?
या
So where shall I keep the bike?
बाइक आपको पार्क करनी पड़ेगी।
पार्क करके ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, walking।
कितना कितना ऊपर है?
वॉकिंग 15 मिनट 15 मिनट वॉकिंग।
15 मिनट्स। तो कोई बाइक नहीं लेके जाता वहाँ पे?
कोई किसी का व्हीकल नॉट अलाउड।
अच्छा, तो यहीं पे सामने मुझे रखना पड़ेगा। Lovely view of Shimla in the morning. You can see the mountains below. Beautiful. I'm going towards the Hanuman mandir in Shimla, so I'm just getting a good view. You can see the snow has appeared on the mountains over there, so it is snowed fresh. You can see the mountains over there with snow. Shimla is still one of the most popular hill stations in North India. The British made this hill town their summer capital as when temperatures rose in the nearby plains. The snow-covered mountains. I'm going towards the Jako temple, Hanuman mandir at Shimla. You can see the snow-covered mountains. I'm going towards the Hanuman mandir. You can see a lot of Hanumans actually. Hanuman Sena coming down. A lot of monkeys over here. Not very far now. Last few meters before I touch the Jako Hanuman Mandir. Nice hike until the top. Arrived at the gate of Shri Hanuman Mandir, Jako. Lovely place. धीरे धीरे मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा. Most of the temple is closed now. Hopefully the main temple is open. It has a lovely view around because it's at a very good height above Shimla. So I've come hiking up until here. So that is the Jako beautiful mandir. You can see that. So I'll be entering now inside the Jako mandir. Lovely view of the snow-covered mountains. Fresh snow across the mountains of Himachal. There are a lot of mountains around, but these trees are actually not allowing me to show it to you. You can see there.
मैं तो नहीं दे रत्ना जैसा मैं तो नहीं दे रत्ना जैसा वो मेरी अखियां दे दूर है वो मेरी अखियां दे दूर मांगे निगरी शिमले दिना चला Shimla,
Hi guys, I've reached Shimla. I started my journey from Chandigarh and reached Shimla. Always wanted to be here, and I'm at a place called Soul Lounge. It's a beautiful lounge here and lovely ambience. You can see the whole of Shimla well lit in the night time, and the beautiful lounge. You can come and hang around here. I just had a couple of whiskey here and a very good brunch. Very nice. Very cold, man. It's very cold. The city is very cold. Shimla is cold, man. I have a very different plan for tomorrow. Long ride towards Manali from here. Beautiful, man. Amazing. Lovely ambience. The music played on the guitar. The lovely bar. I'm at Soul Lodge. It's a very beautiful lodge. Very nice ambience. The weather out is also very nice. It's very cold here, almost close to 6 degrees. And you can come out here, you can party here with your family, with your friends. The riders can come around and hang out. You can see the city view from here. It's all lit up, it's dark in the night. Today it's a curfew on Sunday, but it's the government regulation. Otherwise, it's a fantastic place. There's a guy who always plays guitar. Very nice ambience, very nice place. Come over here, it's all well lit. You can come over with your girlfriend, with your wife, with the children. Amazing, nice time, guys. Amazing ride till here. I'm at the Mall Road, and you can see this beautiful buildings all around. Lovely, very nice buildings, colorful ones with the lighting. You can see the colors on the building, very nice. See the Indian flag flying very high, fluttering high. That's a place where you get a good view of the mountains all around and the little surrounding. And let me just show you how it is. Take you far away. So that's how beautiful it looks like. Okay, I'll just walk you through. Lovely, it looks great, amazing. The road is amazing. See that? The buildings all around, beautiful. See that? Lovely walls and canopies of the building. So that's the town hall, basically, which is all well lit up. Very beautiful building. As you can see, the beautiful building in Shimla, a well lit building, a fantastic one, very colorful. Fantastic looking building. So I'm showing you Municipal Hall of Shimla, so you can see a beautiful view of the building and people walking by. A lovely building, Municipal Hall of Shimla. A great view of the building, you can see that. Fantastic, amazing. In the morning you can see actually how they have constructed it. It looks very pretty in the night time since it's glowing all white and yellow and orange. Very beautiful building. Amazing. See the overall look of the whole street. Amazing. See this? That's the full look of the municipal hall I'm showing you now. I was able to capture the whole thing properly for you all, so you can actually get a good view of it. Fantastic.